very confident that by first quarter of 2026, nako ang chance that we will be able to finish the insurgency problem here in the areas of Bukidnon, Misamis Oriental, Agusan del Sur, Agusan del Norte, boundaries, kining gitawag nga ito under sa North Central Mindanao Regional Committee of the New People's Army. Kay amo naman silang naihap. 47 na lang ini silang nabilin, composed of I think duha na lang ka grupo. The group of Reda and yung group ni Makong ni Mansigyao. But we are engaging them really to join us, continue with their kung ano yung pinaglalaban nila, as what we've been telling those top-ranking officials of the New People's Army that surrendered recently.